We're going to take a quick look at utterance collection for the next couple of minutes. Now, utterance collection and intent variation both play an important role in enabling NLP engines to add automation to tasks like chatbot responses, customer service interactions, and a variety of other business processes. With utterance collection, the objective is to help the NLP engine understand different ways that an intent might be expressed. So if the objective is to have the NLP engine automate certain tasks in a workflow that are query-driven, the engine will need to understand the variations of the query's expression in order to know what to do. So let's quickly build an utterance collection project on WebChartAI. I'm logged in right now as a project manager, and I'll click on Settings in the upper right-hand corner of my application, and then on Annotation to enter into my projects area. Now, to see a project set up from scratch, check out the text classification video or the sentiment and intent analysis video, both of which are posted on this web page. For this utterance collection project, I've set it up already, but let me quickly show you what I did and then we'll do a little annotation. Now, this particular fictitious study was commissioned by an airline to help automate part of their customer service workflow, both with their chatbot and to add automation when their service agents are interacting with customers by chat online. So in this particular study, in my project area, I named the project and described it. I'd normally add instructions for the annotator to view as well during the annotation workflow. I've omitted that just for the sake of brevity in this demo. And I created a prompt. And I'll click on the prompts area to show you which modality or workflow presentation I chose for the annotator's workflow. So here in my prompt list is the prompt that I created for this particular project, and then I chose my modality. And perhaps as you've seen in other videos, WebChartAI has a variety of different modalities or formats that can be chosen based on the need of the project. And in this case, because it's an utterance collection in which we're asking the annotator to enter as many different variations as they can think of, we'll choose the multiple text input as the format. Now here's how it looks on screen, or how it presents. You'll notice the green plus sign to the right of the free text field. I'll click Save to save this, and let's now see what that particular modality looks like in action. So I'll log in as an annotator assigned to the project. When I do, my annotator opens. The job information presents in the bottom left-hand corner. Here's the prompt that I created displaying at the top of the workflow. And here's the utterance that I need to begin now annotating by creating as many different variations on that utterance as I can. So now let's just go ahead and begin to enter variations that come to mind. How do I book a flight on your website? When I press the plus symbol, a new field opens up for me. And each time I press the plus symbol, a new field opens for me to continue to add my utterance variations. Can you help me book a flight? Now, as an annotator, I might come up with another 10 or 20 of these, and as I do, I would just continue to add them to the list. When I'm ready to advance to my next data object, I just press Submit and move on to my next one. That's a quick look at utterance collection on WebChartAI.